We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another auto auction video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. Copart walk around. We at Copart once again. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to join the Hustle Nation. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation. Y'all see I got my We Hustle Daily hat on. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. And again, if you want to learn how to check out cars, man, and pick good cars, ensuring that you get a good car from the auction, from a private party, you know what I mean? I don't want y'all getting jugged, finesse, you know what I mean? Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. I'm showing y'all everything I know on how to pick a good car, man. But let's go ahead and get right into this walk around today. Now, I did not sign a dealership up yet for the auction yet, guys. I'm gonna just tell y'all that right now. We did just pay our little, what's that thing called? We just paid for the bond or whatever. Like I told y'all in the last Copart video, it was like $800 and some dollars. We took care of that, so, you know. But I'm really just trying to see, honestly, guys, if it's even worth, you know, coming to pull apart. I know a lot of people in the comments were saying that they like pull apart. A lot of people saying that the fees was a little high. So I'm trying to figure out, you know, what's the fees on Copart? You know what I mean? Like, are they higher than IAA? Because to me, IAA fees are high. But I wanted to talk about this because if y'all haven't seen my last video, I want y'all to check my last Copart video out of this Corolla. Now, this Corolla, I'm gonna show it to y'all again. But this Corolla ended up selling for $500, guys. So if I sign the dealership up, so if I would have bought this, you know what I mean, without if I would have bought this car without signing a dealership up and had to go through a broker, the car would have been, I mean, I remember I asked somebody in the Smitty, I remember I asked you in the comments, he told me it was gonna be like damn, what did you say, 2,000 or something? I forgot. But what are the fees if I would have bought this as a dealership? You know what I mean? Let's just forget, I don't know if anybody's a dealer out there, so let's just forget the if I was to buy this as a public. What are the fees if I would have bought this for $500 and, you know, won the car? So let's check this car out. Now, it's sold already and everything, but I just wanted to show y'all that it's a super clean car, y'all. Super clean. Super clean. And I'm glad it's out here again because you know, I want to know how much they won this car for. It got 161 or 62,000 miles, but y'all see it, man. It's one clean Toyota, man. It's an 02. You know, it did have this right here, but that's pretty much it, y'all. So y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what, you know, out the door, what this would have been if I, you know, signed a dealership up. You know what I'm saying? So, like I told y'all, I'm just trying to figure out and make sure that it's even worth it to come here. This is my first time coming to pull apart, but as y'all know, I do a lot of IAA, a whole lot of IAA. Been doing IAA for years. So, you know, I know about IAA. I don't know anything about, you know, Copart. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all let me know in the comments below, you know, what that would have been, because, you know, you got to pay fees here to, you know, to come here, and you know what I mean? So y'all let me know in the comments below. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video walk around. One thing I do notice is that I don't know, I gotta get this figured out, you know what I mean? I gotta get this figured out on where the cars be. But check this truck out, y'all. Just wanted to show you this truck because it's right here. Might as well. That boy looking good and beefy. Y'all see it? Off-road. I'm not sure what type of wheels those are. Got the big beefy tires, man. It's a F-150 though. 4x4. I'm starting to really like these big trucks like this on the big wheels. I know I showed y'all my my boy Bruce, his dad, and this is where the damage is right here. This is where the damage is, y'all. Like got some type of lift, but let's see if the door's still open. Door opens. So like stuff like this is will be pretty nice if you know, if you did body work and stuff like that. You know, I don't know anything about body work, but you never know, guys. We may get into it, you know. We may get into it. I don't know. or, you know, not me get into it, but we'll be having, you know, somebody, you know, fix it and stuff like that. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know I don't want to work on nothing. But that's a nice truck though. Didn't have the leather though. But let's see what else we can find up in this thing, guys. We got this Monte Carlo right here. I don't think I've seen this Monte Carlo on the list. Monte Carlo. I think I seen that Monte Carlo on the list. No, I didn't. They was looking at that little white Accord right there. I like that white Accord. We looked at that, as a matter of fact, didn't we? I think we did. So, oh, Corvette's back on there. Corvette is back online because, oh man, look at the poor Durango. Mom's wanted Durango, y'all. We're gonna have to keep hustling, get mom's one of these Durangos here. But look at the Corvette though. I just started liking the Corvette looks, like the C8. I started liking, that's when I like started liking the Corvette, but C7, I'm sorry, C7. C8 is nice too. But we actually looked at this before. So that's weird, maybe it didn't sell. We got the Boss, what you call it, it's not dirty or anything in here. Traction control, they can take that traction control off, beep. Let's see. Of course it doesn't crank. Oh man, these boys are so low to the ground, though, I'll tell you that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Corvette in the comments below. Got a little Honda here, it's beat up. So yeah, man, so I'm just actually just trying to do my homework now, guys, and just make sure that it'll be worth coming here, y'all. Damn, it'll be worth coming here, man. So that's what I'm doing right now. We already looked at that Charger over there. They got the Charger sitting right by each other. Oh, they both RT too. Y'all, which color y'all like better? Y'all like the black or y'all like this burgundy here? I think this is called burgundy. Oh no. Black look mean, but this one don't got the face on it, so we can't really tell. But this one looks better. All right, let's look at the interior. Look at this. This is a carbon fiber hood. What the hell was got over here? Oh, we got another Charger right here too. We got 3 Chargers right next to each other. Oh, this one gets the SRT right here. 392. I kind of like that a little bit. Y'all let me know if y'all like the SRT 392. Looks alright. If I get me a Dodge, I would definitely have to take that Dodge off. Got the SRT wheels. This one got the leather. I like this gray. I think out of all of these, I think I would have chose this gray. I don't even really like gray like that, but this gray is kind of nice. SRT on the wheels. I'm not sure if we looked at this one, y'all, but this one kind of nice. 392 Hemi. Look like they did the carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber hood look kind of sweet. So y'all let me know, burgundy, black, or the gray. I'm going with the gray probably, and not just because it's the 392. I kind of like this. I kind of like the gray, man. That joint is kind of nice. Y'all let me know in the comments below though. But all right, man. Let's see if we can find some more cars, guys. I'm tripping all over these rocks here, but we'll be back in a jiffy. Cut. All right, coming over here by the this Mercedes truck. Now for this old ass Mercedes truck, they want $32,000 for it. Buy it now. Those some nice lights though. This old ass Mercedes truck, y'all. They want 30 grand. 32 grand. No way. Y'all let me know if y'all would spend that. I wouldn't spend it on that. On this bull. What year is this? What's look, y'all. Y'all remember this truck? I think I did this in my my first walk around video. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me see what this truck going for. Let's look at my watch list, y'all. Let's look at my watch list, y'all. $32,500. Look at this. $32,500, 1984. Y'all let me know. I'm straight. Still in the same spot and everything since we keep on coming back here. But all right, give me a second. Let's go find something else. New Camaro alert, new Camaro alert. Windy alert, windy alert. RS. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that orange. Ooh. Camaro cool. It's Camaro cool. It's straight. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the orange though. What happened to the sunroof? What happened to the sunroof? Ah, man. Got into an accident though. That's what it is. It's way more than swiped up right there. Ouch. So bad for the new Camaro, y'all. Alright. Let's keep on moving and grooving, y'all. They got the what you call it? Keep on seeing this car. Got the Chargers, man. Y'all going too fast in them Chargers now. Y'all need to slow down in them Chargers, y'all. Cause I keep on seeing Chargers everywhere. I seen one down there when I was walking on my way up here. Like, come on, y'all. Y'all going too fast now. Slow your ass down now. Slow down. Y'all going hard. Let's keep moving. All right, over here by the range. They got the range. Check out the range, no. The land. I'm sorry, land. Land Rover, Range Rover. 24s on that thing. 24s on that thing, man. HSC. Yo, I am in love with the new Range Rover trucks. Like the new ones, them joints hard. There's like just the body style after this one. I don't really too much care for this body style. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But the new joints, HSC, I don't really like the sport ones or anything like that. They was eating good. Look, they was eating good in the Range. This Range clean though, I'll tell you that. I don't know if it's buy now price, but I would definitely get a Range. If I can get one for like about 30 bands, give me one for like 30 bands. Gotta get that money. Oh, they don't want to crank. Oh no, it's Range Rover. It say Range. Y'all see that? Hold on. Focus on them now. Range. So it's a Range Rover, but they got no, this is a Land Rover. My bad. Hold on. It's just, come on, y'all. Look, they got Land right here. They got Range right there. I know Land, I think Rover makes Range Rover, but damn, y'all need to stick with one thing on the car. Like, I think so. I mean, I know it's the same shit, but Range Rover, so it's a Range Rover. But they got the Land Rover wheels on it. Let's see how much they want for this car right here. This truck, I mean. But we gonna keep moving though. Let's see how much they want for this. Alright. For the Range, oh no, well, the current bid is $28.50. It's not like buy now. But let's see, y'all. Camry here. Y'all remember Tesla? And it looked like they didn't have too much out here today. But I know this car is still on there right now. It's not a buy now price. But this one won't crank up. I'm not gonna use the jump box and everything, but honestly, you know, need to be signing my dealership and up in and everything first. So y'all let me know in the comments below, you know, what y'all think about the you know, about the fees for that Toyota Camry over there, you know. So I'm really curious on what y'all got to say about this Toyota Camry. If the winning bid was $500, what would it be for the dealership? If I signed the dealership out the door, what would it be? So y'all let me know in the comments below. But I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. I really want to know, you know, what y'all think about that car over there, the Corolla. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already to join the Hustle Nation. I appreciate all the Hustle Nation. Y'all see the hat now. Make sure you cop your merch, wehustledaily.com. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. And whdacademy.com is where you're gonna learn how to check out cars, man. I'm still got to get used to Copart, but they do seem similar to IAA. I'm just trying to figure out if it's worth, you know, coming here and, you know, signing up and everything, because, you know, a lot of dealers don't like when you have to pay to sign up for an auction, because there's so many auctions you could just sign up for free, you know. So that'd be a problem, and that's kind of the problem with me right now. I know I did pay for IAA, but like I told y'all, I've been doing IAA for a long time. I started with IAA, so Copart is brand new to me. I know some of y'all say y'all like Copart. I know some of y'all say y'all didn't, but y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about that Toyota Camry over there. Shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation. Like I say, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, whdacademy.com. Make sure y'all check it out. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone. Peace.